Guys, hindi pa nihapon nun kay Burger Steak. Dara, mag-corner kog duharon. Count to guys!
Always give and eat and everywhere I go, my mind, if you're hurt, always cool.
My mind didn't go to this.
So, gibutangan po ni gravy, cream, o mushrooms, mga sibuyas, o sunod ang beef steak. Oh, ang mushroom oh,
That's why you're
juicy kayo.
my mind. This is the very, very Filipino. The attitude of a Filipino, right? Always rice, always eating, always eating.
Kini,
Oh, 11 pa lang, alas 12 ang kaon, ano pa lang gusto, mag-isip na tao. Wala. We will gonna think, no, in the Philippines, we will gonna think always about the food, right? What we gonna eat? Breakfast.
kano na po yung mushroom.
That's it. Paborito ko kayo sa Burger King. This is also my favorite. Love, tomorrow, love, there's a Filipino food. So you will go. Yeah, you're gonna come lunchtime. And you're gonna bring something. When you woke up, love, you should go here, okay? And bring me a food.
It's easier said than done.
Kuya,
Ay, kini,
really good.
no juicy kayo.
There's
Love
a
it.
remedy.
Very good. That's the breakfast of the Jollibee, right? They offering the breakfast in Jollibee. I didn't go and cook with.
Yung burger.
Really good. Leo's favorite.
That'd be Salisbury steak here, wouldn't it? It would be.
I'm just
But
lying.
I just let them think it's Jollibee Burger Steak.
Yeah. This is the one that makes me very cute.
We just let them go.
Leo is in the food. Wala ka kayo, hindi dyan po eh. So, nasa yung food ito. Kaya, pizza. The church will cover their dinner. Pizza rin, ba? Pagkabot at pagkabot pa. Pagkabot ko. Ito dyan na pagkaon.
Buksan na lang.
No rice, no more.
Salamat guys sa pagdanaw. Bye-bye.